Welcome to my Nutribullet Ultra review. With a robust 1,200 watt motor, this sleek appliance packs quite a punch. You'll appreciate its intuitive illuminated interface and the option to choose between an automated smoothie cycle or hands-on pulse control. The Ultra's streamlined design means it won't hog counter space in your kitchen either. The blending cups are made from durable, BPA-free Triton Renew material, which contains 50% certified recycled content. You'll find them easy to clean too, as they're dishwasher safe. The Rapid Extractor blade features a stainless steel platform with titanium coating, promising longevity and faster blending times. Power meets precision in this personal blending marvel. The Ultra boasts a robust 1,200 watt motor, making quick work of tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit. You'll appreciate its quieter operation compared to other Nutribullet models. Titanium-coated blades on a stainless steel platform reduce blending time and come with a 5-year warranty. You can blend directly in the dishwasher-safe cups and take them on the go with the included lids. Sleek and modern, the Ultra takes countertop appeal to the next level. Its streamlined silhouette occupies minimal space while making a stylish statement in your kitchen. The gray color option, which is one of many, offers a neutral, versatile look that complements various decor styles. You'll appreciate the intuitive glow interface that illuminates when you attach the cup to the base. It's not just functional, but adds a cool, high-tech vibe. The blending cups are made from Triton Renew, a durable material that's both eco-friendly and practical. The Ultra's design isn't just about looks, though. Its specialized construction helps reduce noise, making it one of the quieter options in the Nutribullet lineup. This thoughtful feature means you can blend without disturbing your household. Keeping your blender clean is a breeze with the Ultra. The cups are dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss them in after use. Made from Triton Renew, they are durable and resistant to stains and odors. For quick cleanups, you can fill the cup with warm soapy water, blend for a few seconds, and rinse. The blade assembly is easily removable for thorough cleaning. While the base obviously can't be submerged, a quick wipe down with a damp cloth is usually sufficient. The sleek design means fewer nooks and crannies for food to get stuck in. You'll appreciate how simple it is to keep your Ultra looking and smelling fresh, even with daily use. You'll find the Ultra model stands out from other Nutribullets. Its 1,200 watt motor packs more punch than many of its siblings, except the RX, which has 1,700 watts of blending power. This extra power helps pulverize tough ingredients faster. The Ultra also runs quieter, thanks to its specialized design. You won't wake up the whole house making your morning smoothie. A cool feature is the glow interface. It lights up when you attach the cup, showing 2 blending options. This makes operation super simple. The blade has a titanium coating for better durability. It even comes with a 5-year warranty, which is a lot longer than average for a Nutribullet. While pricier than some Nutribullet models, the Ultra offers more power and features that many users find worth the investment. Next up in my Nutribullet Ultra review, let's go over the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, impressive 1,200 watt motor crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly. Quieter operation compared to other high-powered blenders. Streamlined design takes up minimal counter space. Illuminated interface with 2 blending options for ease of use. Cups made from durable, BPA-free Triton Renew with 50% recycled content. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. As for the cons, higher price point than some basic personal blenders. Somewhat limited capacity with 32 ounces cup size. Maybe more power than needed for basic blending tasks. You might be wondering if the Ultra is a smart investment for your kitchen. In my opinion, the answer is a definite yes. This powerful 1,200 watt blender packs a punch while keeping noise levels down. Its sleek design won't hog counter space, and the illuminated interface adds a touch of modern flair. The Ultra shines when it comes to making smoothies. With its automated cycle and pulse option, you can easily whip up your favorite blends. The durable Triton Renew cups are a eco-friendly bonus, made with 50% recycled content. While it's pricier than basic models, the Ultra offers good value for its performance. The titanium-coated blade and 5-year warranty provide peace of mind. However, it's primarily designed for single-serve use, so it may not suit larger households. Overall, for a smoothie enthusiast seeking a reliable, compact blender, the Nutribullet Ultra is a worthwhile addition to your kitchen arsenal.